Hello, good people. My name is Esther Lukera. Welcome to my channel and thank you for tuning in. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, because there'll be more content coming on academic writing. So basically today I would love us to learn about MLA formatting in academic writing. So when it comes to MLA formatting, when you're given a paper or maybe you have taken an assignment and you're asked to format it in MLA style, the first thing that you should do after opening your blank Word document, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that you come to the, just a minute. Okay. For me personally, what I usually do the first thing when I'm asked to do a paper and format it in MLA style, the first thing I want to make sure that I have 1-inch margin layout. So I'll come to the page layout, you press it, then you come to the margin, press the margin and select normal to make sure that your the inch of your work, it will be 1 inch, which is the normal margin layout. Then the second thing, after you set up there, you will want to make sure that you have a Times New Roman font. You will have to choose the right font for your work. So you come to the home page right there, then you come and select. For me, I already have the Times New Roman, but if you haven't yet selected, you'll come and select the Times New Roman. And the best font, the advisable font that you must use is the 12 size. Then you'll select the 12 size. After that, you will have to make sure that you have a double spaced. So you'll come here just to confirm. The MLA style, it requires a 2.0, a double spaced. After you've clicked your double space, you'll now come to the fourth step, where you'll make sure that you insert the page number. An MLA formatted paper usually has a page number where you indicate the surname and the number. So you come to insert. If you want to insert your page number, you'll come and press insert. After pressing insert, you come to the page number. Page number, it has to be at the top of the page. So you'll come to the top and you select the top right of the page. So after arriving here, you have to indicate your surname. The surname, yeah, or maybe if the name is, I don't know, maybe Dennis, not Dennis, just your surname. After indicating your surname, you have to make sure that also you have to make sure that your page number is also in Times New Roman. So you'll click it and you'll highlight it, and you'll come and press Times New Roman, font 12. Yeah, you make sure that it's also in font 12. It's in font 11 and it's supposed to be in font 12, so you correct that. After that, you press anywhere in your paper, then you'll have set. So maybe you don't know the surname of your client. The client will indicate the surname themselves. So after you've completed placing your page number, you will come to the next step where you'll create the details just before you put the title of your work. So in MLA, your header, it should be on the left, on the top left side of your first page. So the header is not on a different page, it's on the same page, the first page of your assignment, where you will start by indicating the student's name. You will indicate the professor's name, the course, and the date. So for instance, if this is our paper, we'll come here and put these details there. Yeah, so if you put the header, this is how it will look like. So first you'll start with the student's name, After the student's name, you will then indicate the professor's name. After the professor's name, it's the course. Then after the course, the date. So you should make sure that you indicate it in the same order. After you're done with your header, you'll come to the title, the title of your work. So you'll come to the next page and you'll indicate your title. For our case, our title is MLA formatting style. So as you can see, that's our heading. So your heading, it should be centered. So you'll select it and you select it and put it to the center. And if you notice, you'll see that the heading, it's not in bold and it's not all in caps. I've just put this in caps because it's just a short form, that's why it's in caps. So this is how it should look like. And after indicating your heading, there's no comma, there's no full stop, just indicate your heading and leave it like that. After placing your heading, make sure that the first paragraph, you indent it. When indenting, you press tab. You come and press tab once. So that's how it should look like. So you're not only indenting the first paragraph, but you'll indent all the paragraphs. As you can see, the first paragraph, it's indented here. The second paragraph is also indented, and the third one as well. So if you want to indent, you just press tabs. Remember that you should not italize your title, and do not let it not be bold. Just write it and there's no punctuation mark. You should remember that. And when it comes to the in-text citation, you press the author's last name and the page number. The author's last name and the page number. It's not the year. For the MLA style, you just indicate the page number. So for example, if it was Wafula, it will be Wafula 9. This Wafula 9, that's the surname, the author's last name, and the page number. And in case there is no page number in the research work that you've used, you'll just indicate the surname of the author and you leave it like that. You'll just indicate their surname in brackets and you leave it that way. That is if there is no page number. And so after you've already finished writing your work, you've already conducted your research and you are done with everything, now you want to create the reference page. You'll come to the next page and you'll type a works cited, not literal page, works cited. So you'll note that it's not in bold and it's centered and there's no punctuation mark. Just put the works cited, then you start listing the names. When you're preparing the works cited, make sure that you start with the surname of the author, comma, their first name, full stop, the title of the book. That is if you've used a book. And if you've noticed, the title of the book is italicized. So you'll italize the title of the book, then the city of publication, the publisher, the year of publication, and the print. So take note of that in MLA style. Then in case it's an article, you'll start with the surname of the author, then the first name of that author, then the article name, you'll quote the article name, then the title of the web magazine. The title is also italicized, then the publisher's name and the year. So in MLA style, you'll finish with the year. So that's basically a short summary of MLA formatting style. If you have any question, kindly feel free to ask in the comment section. So I'll prepare another video where I'll go in details about the in-text citation and the works cited page, because the works cited page has to be prepared very well. There's an order and everything. So make sure that you stay tuned and watch out for the next video where I will give more details on preparing this works cited page appropriately. Thank you so much for tuning in. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, show your support, and thank you so much. Bye.